So you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, Nevada? More specifically, the city of Henderson? And you're looking for a unique home with the latest cutting technology and advancements? Well, then I think you're gonna like this video. That's because we're gonna discuss and visit the world's newest real estate concept, where sustainability merges with luxury at Livv Neo. And I promise you, this community is nothing you have seen before. So let's get after it right now. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe, and I absolutely love helping people discover all things Las Vegas and Henderson, including real estate. So if this is the type of content that resonates with you, make sure you subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Las Vegas, with so much evolving almost daily. We are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. If you're thinking about making that move, whether it be 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, text, or email. All that information is in the description below. So as I mentioned, we are here at Livv Neo, Nevada's first ever net zero community, meaning it's entirely powered by Tesla batteries. Designed from the ground up to be a sustainable community with a minimalist environment footprint and producing more energy than it consumes. You combine that with the location in the Black Mountain foothills in Henderson that you can see right over here behind me, just north of McDonald Highlands, with breathtaking views of the Las Vegas Strip and Valley over here beyond my shoulder. And you have a community unlike any other, not only here in Las Vegas, but possibly in the entire country. Neo is the very first Livv home community in the United States, and more are sure to come. Imagine a home that senses and anticipates the needs and adjusts to indoor and outdoor surroundings, the time of day, the season, and environmental conditions that is all automatic, while also including adjustments to all connected devices, ensuring an optimal environment and ambiance under any circumstances. Livv is the only company in the world that has managed to design and build an integrative and self-managing home automation system from standalone automation components such as door and window openers, window coverings, AC, and entertainment systems that all respond to pre-programmed settings. Then there are other features like a pet detection smart sensor, a pollen allergy detector in the backyard, a smart health monitor, and an energy optimizer system. Now I'd say that's pretty high tech. All of this is with bare minimum of your input, if any at all. And by analyzing individual habits and preferences, a Livv home gets to know its occupants and their preferences. This data is stored on site and is used to adjust the home setting to create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Livv is the first company in the world to have successfully integrated contrasting systems into a single platform that manages all settings really to perfection. The end result is a compatible system that operates smoothly and, perhaps most important of all, out of sight and perhaps even out of mind. A Livv home does its thing quietly and on the fly. Thanks to machine learning, its performance also improves over time. Homeowners, of course, are able to manually change its settings. When that happens, AI kicks in to draw lessons and conclusions from learning what the homeowner prefers and stores that information for future reference. Crazy, right? These homes have been designed with the future in mind, thanks to its open architecture technologies and features that have not yet been developed and conceived, but can be easily integrated through updates to incorporate further advancements in technology, thus ensuring that Livv homes stay not only up to date, but keeps in its leading edge as well. The Livv Intelligent Home is the culmination of years of research and development by some of the brightest minds in the industry. Needless to say, if you decide to purchase a home here in this community, you're buying so much more than just a home. It's a technology masterpiece. This incredible guard-gated community of Livv Neo, which as you can probably tell is in the very early stages of development, is located on 60 acres that will consist of 84 homes upon completion, while offering 7 distinct models to choose from, including the Velour, Senfola, and Thea are all single-story models, while the Jolene, Orenda, Paragon, and Alceum are all 2-story models, and they range in size from 2,958 all the way up to 6,635 square feet, and offer 3 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 5 bathrooms, and 3 to 5 car garages. Prices start at $1,468,000 and go up to $2,355,000 for the base models at the recording of this vlog. And these prices also include a brand new Model 3 Tesla with your purchase. After all, you can't have a home powered by Tesla batteries and not have a Tesla car to drive. You know, another unique feature to these homes is the interior design element. Typically, when you purchase a new construction home, the interior look and feel is predetermined to a certain extent, and then you're given the option to choose your finishes, whether it be flooring, cabinets, countertops, etc. You know, Livv takes the interior design to a new level by giving buyers the option to choose from 3 different luxury designs. You have the Euro Chic, the Modern Flair, and the Natural Boho, which is a design that incorporates natural elements like wood or bamboo, plants, and layer textures. You know, these designs truly put the icing on the cake to provide a home that meets your specific taste and desired lifestyle. Well, enough talking about all the bells and whistles of these homes. Let's go check out a model to see and experience this incredible product up close and personal. So, what did you think of that model? Pretty impressive, right? You know, as a real estate professional, I see new homes and features almost every day, and this one here definitely stands out. You know, this community is just southeast of Horizon Ridge Parkway and Stephanie in the city of Henderson, a short drive from dozens of sprawling parks, 8 championship golf courses, the district at Green Valley Ranch, and of course, the Las Vegas Strip located right over here. If you love the outdoors, hiking Black Mountain, which is located just on the other side of this foothill right over here, Or you can also explore Red Rock National Conservation Area, Mount Charleston, and Lake Mead that are all within a 45-minute drive from here. I can assure you, you'll never run out of outdoor activities living here in and around the Las Vegas Valley. We're also closely located to the 215 Beltway and 11 Freeway, which is formerly known as the 515 Freeway, making commutes to Las Vegas and other parts of the valley pretty straightforward and efficient. Also, the educational options here at Livv Neo are pretty plentiful. The Clark County schools zoned for this community include Hannah Brown Elementary, then you also have Bob Miller Middle School and Foothill High School. In addition to these public schools, the renowned Henderson International School, a private K-8 school, and Green Valley Christian, a K-12 school, are both just 10 minutes away from here. So despite the low Clark County School District rating, Livv Neo is close to a quality of educational schools for your children to attend. Well, this gives you a pretty good overview of quite possibly the most unique residential development in all of the Las Vegas Valley. And I think it's safe to say the world's newest real estate concept, that is, Livv Homes, is the future of home automation. It is incredible to see how technology has evolved and will continue to do so in the coming years. If you desire to take advantage of cutting-edge technology, then this community may be a great fit. I hope you enjoyed it and found this video beneficial. So please like and share it. Please also subscribe below and comment if you have any questions or found this video helpful. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on the surrounding areas so you can continue to get a realistic sense of what it would feel like to live here in the Las Vegas Valley. If you feel Livv Neo checks most or all of your boxes when it comes to finding the right Henderson community to relocate to, my team and I are ready to go to work on your behalf and are extremely proactive in our approach to assist in getting your offer accepted on your ideal home. We don't leave any stones unturned. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and a stress-free move to Henderson. So until next time, we hope to show you around town very, very soon.